Hey guys, what's up? By now you might have seen plenty of renders of the Z Fold 3 and have heard their specs as well as its surprisingly attractive pricing in various leaks and news reports published in the past couple of months. Following which, there are also certain confirmations about the Z Fold 3 which we came to know just a couple of hours ago. Starting off with the most exciting bit, a tipster on Twitter has revealed something very interesting and what I guess could be the track that Samsung will use for the official introduction video of its new upcoming foldables. And you'll be glad to know that you are even quite familiar with those usual hip upbeat songs that Samsung chooses every year to introduce its latest flagship to generate excitement, and they will apparently make a comeback this year. And this time, Samsung has reportedly chosen the opening track from The Greatest Showman, a movie starring Hugh Jackman, the guy who immortalized the character of Wolverine in the X-Men film franchise, and the song is called The Greatest Show, and it is considerably more upbeat than the classical orchestral track that Samsung has selected for the Z Fold 2's so-called launch film last year. But this doesn't stop here, because if the leak is genuine, then I think at this point the only thing that is left for Samsung to do is to announce the official prices of the Z Fold 3, as I guess everything else is more or less already out there for everyone to see. That said, my next update is regarding the US variant of the device, which was spotted in Geekbench's database earlier today bearing the model number SM-F926U. The listing confirms that the smartphone uses the Snapdragon 888 processor, codenamed Lahaina, instead of the recently launched Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset that everyone was expecting to see in the Fold 3. The listing further confirms 12 gigs of RAM, but there could be a variant with 16 gigs as well, coupled with 500 gigabytes of internal storage running on Android 11 out of the box. While with regard to optics, we are quite confirmed that there would be a triple 12 megapixel camera setup on the rear side, along with a 10 megapixel selfie camera on the cover display, coupled with the most debated 16 megapixel selfie camera, which I am not sure if it's gonna be an under display camera or not, in view of reasons explained in the video link given in description. But be that as it may, the 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera will surely feature an autofocus lens which can develop as a macro camera as well, and all the cameras are expected to feature 4K 60fps video recording. That being said, we would also like to hear about the new software features that Samsung will introduce to take advantage of the foldable form factor, though we'll keep our fingers crossed that at least that info manages to stay under wraps until Samsung's Unpacked event in August is held, as I really want some surprises during the launch event. But as far as you are concerned, I guess I aptly conveyed every little updates about the Z Fold 3 in my several videos, including this one, and if so, then please like this video, share it with your friends while not forgetting to subscribe the channel if you like my content.